Hi everyone, in this video I will show you missing chat history sync now messenger fix. So in case that you open your or when you open your messenger on your PC or laptop, you will see this one. So basically you need to change a settings using your phone device. So open your messenger on your phone, tap this three lines, click this gear icon, scroll down here till you see privacy and safety. Tap this one. Now you have to scroll down and click this end-to-end encryption. Now, what you're going to do here is you can reset the PIN. In case that you know the PIN, you can reset it if you know the old one, if you want to create a new one. But in case that you forgot your PIN, so in order for you to remove this one or fix this missing chat is to turn this one off. So if you don't remember your PIN anymore and you can't enter this PIN whenever you open your messenger using other device, then you can click this turn off secure storage. Tap this one, click continue. But of course, you have to make sure that you have backup your files here. Also, you can tap this delete secure storage, but you have to make sure, or it's up to you, because once you delete this one, then you will not trace any, or it will not sync all the history on your messenger if you want to open your messenger using other device. But if you're okay with that, then delete this or delete secure storage. Tap this one. So after you have turned off your end-to-end encryption here or secure storage, then you can go back and see that you can open your messages here or conversation without messenger asking you for the pin. Also, if you open your messenger using your PC or laptop or other device, if you tap this one right here, then you can probably see the messages and it will not ask you to sync or enter your pin. But somehow it's not really strongly suggested. It's better also that you turn on your PIN since it is recommended by Messenger to protect your files and messages and everything on your Messenger. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video tutorials.